Hey gamers, today is Terrific Tuesday, and there are mega jackpots today of 900,000 and 1.5 million coins. Now it's time to buy lots and lots of these mystery boxes. The budget today is to not go below 600,000 coins. Now let's see some of the better things that came out of this. The microphone trophy. This funk outfit. The camouflage outfit for Tricky. $5,000 coins. Oh yeah, and 5,000 coins again. The content chances are never in our favor, but I will try again soon. At least we got 5k coins twice, which means we definitely had a chance at 900,000 today. Until next time, keep surfing gamers.